There are two ways to resize a row or column in a Google Sheet. So for example, with column C, we see we have a lot of space here that really probably we don't need. One option to resize this column to conserve a little bit of space is to hover your mouse in between columns C and D. Notice that it turns blue and you do have a double-headed arrow there. If I click on that blue line with the arrows, I can click and drag that column so that it's smaller and fits the data more efficiently. The other option we have, if we move this back, is to hover over that same blue line and double click. And when we do that, Google is going to automatically resize that according to the longest word. So, for example, in column B, if we do the same thing, it's not going to shrink as much because it's trying to fill to the size of the word's room number.